Welcome to Home of Math. Today's question based on logarithm. Here is log base 2 x minus 1 plus log base 2 x plus 3 equals to 3. We will find the value of x. So consider x minus 1 is a and x plus 3 is a b. We know log a plus log b equals to log ab. So this one we can write, so log base 2, here is ab. This one is log a, this one is log b. So we can write log ab. It means x minus 1 times x minus not, it's on x plus 3 equals to 3. Now what is the next step? This one we can write like x minus 1 times x plus 3 equals to 2 to the power 3. But how? Again, we know, suppose log what? Suppose log base a and here is m equals to x, or we can say x equals to m. So in this case we can write x equals to, base will be here's also same base and m will be power. So similar we are doing here, right? This one is x, base is a 2 which is a equals to 3 and here is equals to m. So x equals to, it means x minus 1 plus x plus 3 equals to a to the power m. A means 2 and m means 3, right? Now this is a normal algebraic expression will happen. How? Look, x times x, which means x square, plus 3x minus x minus 3 equals to 2 to the power 3 means 8. Okay. Now what will be the next thing? X square plus 2x minus 3 and this 8 will be transferred to left side, so minus 8 equals to 0. So what is this? X square plus 2x minus 11 equals to 0. So this algebraic expression, or we can say this quadratic equation, we can solve by general method. We can solve this quadratic equation by general method. General method. We know ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Here the formula is x equals to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divide what? Divide 2a. This one we already know. Now we will find out a, b and c from here. So we can say here a equals to what? X square has no coefficient, it means 1. So a is a 1. Then b, here is x coefficient is 2, so b equals to 2. And what is the c? C is a constant, here is minus 11. minus 11. Now we will put all this value in this formula. So we can write here minus b means what? 2. So we can write 2 plus minus root over 2 square, because here is b square, minus 4 times a means what? 1. C means minus 11. Okay. Then divide 2a, 2 times 1. Okay. Now next, minus 2 plus minus root over 2 square means 4. Here is minus and minus, it will become plus, and 44. Why? Because 11 times 4 means 44, and here is 2. So we get minus 2 plus minus root over 48 divide 2. This 48 we need to some consideration, like 48 we can divide by 2, so 24 divide by 2, 12 divide by 2, 6 divide by 2, and here is what? 3. So here is 2 2 and 2 2 3. So once we make root, so we will get 1 2, and here from here 1 2, and it will become, so 48 against root over, we can write 2 times 2 means 4 root 3, right? So we can write like this, minus 2 plus minus what? 4 root 3 divide 2. Now in numerator we can take common 2, so minus 1 plus minus 2 root 3 divide 2. So we can cut this one, so here is minus 1 plus minus 2 root 3. So our question was solve for x. So x equals to minus 1 plus 2 root 3 or minus 1 minus 2 root 3, and this is our answer. So thank you very much. Please note that this is very important math for IGCSE and also for SAT and any others competitive examination. And also these types of math you can follow for International Math Olympiad, right? So no more today. I will publish next video very soon. Till keep practice at home. If you think this video is helping you, please subscribe my channel Home of Math, and please share this video with your friends. Thank you.